Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to YouTube. I guess that's not normally how I start these videos, but I'm rambling. So, the Arduino car. This is Easy EDA, and I've designed a circuit here for making my robot car, which I mentioned in my last video. We've got an Arduino here. This is an Arduino Nano I'm going to be using. We've got two motor driver ICs here. These are H-bridge ICs. These ones, I shall go through that in a second. We've got the connectors for the motors here and here. So one for the left and right wheel. They're the only two motors on the car, so it uses differential steering. So you make one motor go backwards and one go forward, and that what makes you turn. We have these, which are NeoPixels, or commonly known as NeoPixels. Don't know why I said that, but they're WS2812Bs, and I've got 4 of them, and I'm going to put them around the car. Connector here for power, connector here for the sonar, so that's what's going to be used to navigate, and you can see how this is all wired into the Mozzie. You've got these wired into some discrete pins here, and the NeoPixels come off pin, where do they come off? Pin 12, pin 9. So D9, pin 12. So that's the design I've come up with. And here is, which one is it? That one. So this is my first attempt at doing a board using very small motor driver ICs. I changed them because they were a pain to get hold of. So that's why I chose these ones, because these come from RS. So this is the board I've come up with. Go away. And there's your Arduino there, LEDs around the corners. There's your connectors for the motor, connectors for power, connectors for sonar, and your motor driver ICs. And that's it. It's very simple. There's not a lot on it. Now we can go to 3D, and we should be able to see the board. There it is. Look at that. Isn't technology marvelous? So that is the board that I'm going to be getting. It's now with JLC PCB for order. 5 of these with the LEDs fitted come to £12, which is astonishingly cheap for PCBs, and you just can't get any better than that. I mean, how can you make a custom-made PCB for £12? It's just phenomenal. So we're waiting for them to arrive, and these are the motor driver ICs that I've put on it as well. So you've effectively got your ground and your power here for the chip, power here for the motor, which on this design is the same power, so they're two shorted together. A VREF pin that gives you speed control. So you can have two methods of speed control. You can have the forward and reverse. These are your two signals. So you drive one high to go forward, one high to go backwards, both high to put the brakes on. You can PWM these to give you speed control, or you can put a voltage on this pin for speed control. So because I'm using PWM on these, I can tie this voltage high. So that's what I've done. The current on this is I can't remember now. I think it's like 1.5 amps or somewhere in there. There's your pins. It is. If you see it, shout. Overcurrent for 1.2 amps ish. Yeah, so they do an amp, which I've measured them motors. There you go, that's what's inside it. I've measured them motors, and they are drawing about 300 milliamps, so it's well in, and it's got thermal protection, all that jazz. There's no diagram of what's inside it, is there? But effectively it's just a H-bridge. Oh, there you go, look at that. So that's pretty much it. So it's one chip per motor, which is why I've got 2 here, because I've got 2 motors. And hopefully when that comes in, we can wire it up together and put it all together, hopefully. So, if you've managed to survive all this rambling, I'll either cut to a separate video, or I will say goodbye. I don't know what's going to happen yet, because I'm still waiting for it to come in. So, for now, see you later. Bye.